You know those mornings when your head just weren't shut off? Well, today mine felt like a freaking chainsaw in a biscuit tin. Just noise, chaos, and bits of thought flying everywhere. That's the thing about an overactive mind. It's loud, it's messy, and it's usually going nowhere, fast. For years I tried to think my way out of overthinking. But here's what I learned, and it took me far too long to work it out. You can't think your way out of overthinking. You've got to move your way out. If your head's been noisy lately, then check out my 14-day Rutbuster immediate action drill in the comments below. It's for blokes like us who get stuck in loops and need to take action fast. So when your mind's racing, it's usually because your body isn't. A still body, spinning brain. We sit there trying to outthink the noise, but the more we try, the louder it gets. It's like revving the engine in neutral, all noise, no traction. And the crazy bit, we start thinking that thinking is doing. We mistake rumination for problem solving, but your brain's not looking for answers. It's running in circles. That's the loop. It's like one time I was driving long distance, middle of nowhere, and I really needed a piss. You know that horrible, teeth clenching feeling. But I didn't want to stop. So I thought, I'll drink some water. That'll take my mind off it. Now obviously, that made it 10 times worse. And that's exactly what overthinking is. You try to fix the problem by adding more thoughts, but it's just more fluid into an already full tank. You can't drink your way out of needing a piss, and you can't think your way out of overthinking. You've got to get out of the car and move. When your brain's jammed, movement is the reset button. It doesn't matter what it is, a walk, a shower, a run, chucking a ball for the dog, cutting wood, cleaning the kitchen. Movement changes your state. It tells your nervous system, we're safe, we're doing something. It creates output, which your brain desperately needs. Because when you lock your body into stillness, you lock your mental state too. You sit slumped, shoulders tight, jaw clenched, and your brain takes that as a signal, we're under threat. But when you move, even just stand, roll your shoulders, shake it off, you send a new signal. You're saying, we're alive, we're capable, we're back. That's why monks move before meditating, why athletes warm up before competing. The body sets the tone. Here's something not many people realise. We can get addicted to overthinking because it's familiar, it's predictable, it's our version of self-flagellation, if you like. You feel bad, so you start thinking about why you feel bad. Then you feel worse. But at least you're doing something, right? Wrong. It's just pain dressed up as productivity. It's the same cycle, and it feels weirdly safe because you know it so well. That's why movement is so important. It interrupts the addiction. When you move, your focus shifts to your breath, your body, your surroundings. You get present, and presence kills overthinking every time. Your body's not just a vehicle, it's a processor. Input, process, output. When you're stuck in your head, you've got too much input and process, but no output. That's why you feel fried. You're running hot, no release. Movement gives you output. You're literally offloading mental energy through your body. Breathing, walking, writing, training. They're all ways to let energy leave the system. And when you move, you close the loop. That's why after a run, a shower, or even just a walk around the block, you always think, I feel better. But I don't know why. Well, that's why. You completed the circuit. So here's the quick reset drill I use when my brain's firing like that biscuit tin again. Number one, notice it. Catch yourself mid-loop. Don't fight it, just see it. And number two, move. Stand up, stretch, walk, go for a shower, train, throw the ball for the dog. Physical first, thoughts later. And number three is breathe. Deep in through the nose, longer out through the mouth. Exhale longer than you inhale. That's the signal for calm. And the number 4 is refocus. Pick one thing you can do right now and do it. That's how you turn noise into motion. And remember what I said in the last video, everything's a bracket. Every mental storm, every bout of overthinking, it has a start and it has an end. But you can shorten that bracket by moving. Action closes the loop faster than thought ever will. So next time your head feels like a chainsaw in a biscuit tin, don't sit there trying to outthink it. Don't drink more mental water when you already need a piss. Get up, move, change your state, do something. Cut wood if you need to, because motion beats emotion and stillness will come naturally once you've earned it. If you've been stuck for a while, remember my 14-day Rutbuster immediate action drill down below. Links in the comments. It's all about action, accountability, and getting your spark back fast. And remember, don't be a